last couple of days, but things should improve, turning much brighter from the south. Now, as I said, it's been pretty cloudy across the UK recently, and you can see that quite clearly on this satellite sequence. That cloud across the southern half of the UK, quite low, and it is low enough to be producing just a few spots of light rain and drizzle, but most places should stay dry if a little bit cloudy, with temperatures around about 16 degrees, similar to what we saw yesterday. As you head further north, though, the clouds, well, it lifts a little bit, and we should well see some spells of hazy sunshine creeping through into northern England. Much of Scotland should have a fine autumnal afternoon with some hazy sunshine here, and a similar story across Northern Ireland. North Wales too is a favoured spot for some bright weather through the afternoon, but as you head a little bit further south, it will be fairly cloudy and grey here, and a few spots of drizzle again across the southwest of England. Bit of a breeze blowing here, but still temperatures of 15 to 16 degrees. Not a great deal of change through the afternoon on into the evening, and overnight will end up fairly cloudy right across the UK. Not particularly cold, certainly not as cold as it was last night, but we will see some fairly extensive hill fog across the Pennines. A few patches of fog too across Scotland, at those temperatures from early on into double figures. Here's the grey starts the day across northern England, that hill fog across the Pennines. Pretty grey too down across the southeast of England and East Anglia. A few patches of mist here and there, but along the south coast we're starting to see something a little bit brighter. That brighter weather develops from early on, and it spreads all the way down towards the southern tip of Cornwall. But as you head a little bit further north, well, it is going to be quite a grey start. Still some hill fog across North Wales, and a grey start too across Northern Ireland. And here we could just start with a little bit of light and patchy drizzle. As we go through the afternoon, we will see some significant changes. The brighter weather along the south coast will just creep its way a little bit further north. So much of Wales, central and eastern England will become bright and quite sunny, but we'll still hang on to a fair amount of cloud across the northeast. 14 or 15 for Aberdeen and Newcastle, but as high as 18 or 19 for Cardiff, London and Southampton. So for the evening Super League Grand Final at Old Trafford, we're looking at some ideal playing conditions. Should be dry and bright, and I think we'll have some dry, bright weather too for Sunday. The best of the sunshine in the northwest, but you'll notice some rain in the southwest. Darren.
Thanks, Jay.